It was my first experience doing anything like this the last time, and it was just so much fun being able to just talk about my passion all day long and meet some new people and get, just get the word out there about, what feng shui can do for people.
Expo has been tremendous. Oh, I loved it. Didn't know what to expect. Have made lots of new friends with the organizers and the exhibitors and people coming in all day. Time has flown, and I'm very, very happy to be part of this.
Excited to participate, meeting the other vendors and meeting the other people. It was a great experience. It was very organized, very well run, and it was just an honor to be here today.